What if I told you there's a place on Earth where humans cannot survive even for a few seconds? A place so deep, so dark, and so extreme that it feels more like another planet than our own. This place is not in space. It exists right here on Earth, hidden beneath the ocean. It is called the Mariana Trench. Located in the western Pacific Ocean near the Mariana Islands, this trench is the deepest known part of our planet's oceans. And within this trench lies an even deeper point known as the Challenger Deep. This is the lowest point on Earth's surface, reaching a depth of nearly 11,000 meters. To understand how deep that really is, imagine placing Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, inside this trench. Even then, its peak would still be more than a kilometer underwater. But depth is only part of the story. As you go deeper into the ocean, conditions become more extreme. Sunlight begins to fade, temperatures drop, and the pressure increases rapidly. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the pressure is more than 1,000 times greater than at sea level. This level of pressure is so intense that it could crush most submarines and instantly destroy the human body. No human can survive there without special equipment. And yet, despite these extreme conditions, the trench is not lifeless. In fact, scientists have discovered that life exists even at these incredible depths. Strange, alien-like creatures live in complete darkness, surviving in an environment with crushing pressure and near-freezing temperatures. Some of these organisms are so small that they are almost invisible, while others have adapted in ways that seem almost impossible. Instead of sunlight, many rely on chemical processes to survive. This makes the Mariana Trench one of the most fascinating places for scientists studying how life can exist in extreme environments. But exploring this place is not easy. Only a few humans have ever reached the bottom of the Mariana Trench. In 1960, two explorers, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh, became the first humans to descend into its depths using a special deep-sea submersible. For decades, no one else attempted such a dangerous journey.
Then, in 2012, filmmaker and explorer James Cameron made a solo dive to the bottom of the trench, becoming one of the very few people to ever reach this extreme environment. His journey revealed just how silent, dark, and mysterious the deep ocean truly is. But perhaps one of the most shocking discoveries in the Mariana Trench is not about its depth or its creatures. It is about us. Scientists have found traces of plastic waste even in this remote and extreme location. This means that human impact has reached even the deepest parts of the ocean, places that were once thought to be completely untouched. And even today, much of the Mariana Trench remains unexplored. Scientists continue to study it using advanced robots and deep-sea technology, but a large part of this underwater world is still unknown. There may be new species waiting to be discovered, unknown ecosystems, or secrets that could change our understanding of life itself. The Mariana Trench reminds us of something important. Even on our own planet, there are places more mysterious than outer space, places we have barely begun to explore. So the next time you look at the ocean, remember this. Beneath those calm waves lies a world of darkness, pressure, and mystery, a world where humans cannot survive, but life somehow finds a way. And perhaps the greatest discoveries are still waiting in the depths.